Hi friends, welcome to your favorite channel Excel by Raghav. In this channel you will find all Excel related videos right from basics to advanced level, which includes various formulas, functions and of course automation codings, which gives you a step-by-step direction and is helpful in writing VBA macros as per your requirement. Keeping in view of your precious time, I am trying my best to keep the video length shorter with in details of every topic so as to give you more understanding. Every day new videos will be uploaded, so keep watching for more and more videos and make yourself an Excel wizard. I see many viewers have not subscribed the channel, and I request you to kindly subscribe, like and promote the channel, and finally leave your valuable comments which will be answered sooner. In this tutorial we will see what is VB and VBA. VB means Visual Basic, which is ending with the extension .exe. VBA, Visual Basic for automation. And where will I go for VBA environment? From the developer tab, we will go to Visual Basic, or as an alternate, you can even press Alt and F11 functions simultaneously. Then the features of VBA environment, that is the Project Explorer, Properties window and Toolbox. Then where will I write a macro? Macros are written in sheet level, workbook level, module level and form level. There are two types of macros. The first one is the procedure, another one is at the function. There are limitations for giving a name to your macro. The name cannot start with numeric. The name cannot contain space. The name cannot contain special characters. The name cannot contain duplicates. The name cannot contain the reserved words. The name cannot contain variables. The name cannot exceed 234 characters in length. Finally, for displaying your output, you can give a message box or input box after completing your macro. Then how do I run a macro? Go to the developer tab, then click on macros. There you can hit whatever coding you have written, or else as an alternate you can hit F5 or F8 to see a line by line coding, and simultaneously your coding will get executed. Declaration. The very first step is you will be giving your declarations, like whatever you are using in your coding, whether it might be a string or a integer or a double quote. Looping. Looping is nothing but the continuation. Hope you like the video, friends.